Guys, welcome to the beauty room with Palma. So today we are doing this nice ponytail. This is not my hair, and then this is not soon. This is detachable ponytail. We are going to do it step by step. I'm going to walk you through how I achieved this. This is what I have on my head. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the step by step how I went from the normal bundles to this amazing detachable ponytail you can wear on the go. And let me know if you need some and I will get you some. So this is the net I'm going to use. This is the back of the net, and then I'm going to turn it upside down. A Well, I'm going to use the other side. We are not going to sew where the pins are. The pins came with the net, so if you need the net, you let me know. You don't have to now sew the pins on it. The pins had already been sewn. I went ahead to pin it down on my canvas head, and then I'm going to mark half inch. Right, so this is my tape measure. I'm going to mark half inch. That's the distance that will be between my wefts. So I'm going to mark half inch on the net, and then I'll just go ahead and join the lines together and we move on to the next. This is the bundles I'll be using. You can see it's really I wanted my hair very full, so I'm using two bundles. I ended up using 1.5. Okay, it's 18 inches, and I went ahead to double weft first, and then I triple wefted. Let me know if you want full tutorial on how to double weft and how to triple weft your bundles on the machine. I'm using the sewing machine. Nobody has time to use in the hand, so yeah, I'm using the sewing machine. I went ahead to double weft and triple weft, so just enjoy the video. So this is how it looks like after double wefting. Now I went ahead to add one more weft, and then to make it three. Triple wefting means three wefts put together. So I'm going to sew it together. Now after triple wefting, this is what we have. You can see the wefts are three together. Now I'm going to put it on the marked line on the net, and then I'll just sew. It's simple, very simple, very easy. You just put it on the line you marked and then just sew. And I created a lot of lines because I wanted it very full, like I said earlier. So if you don't want yours very full, you can make it 1 inch or the distance you prefer, but I wanted mine very full, so I made it half an inch. So yeah, I went ahead to sew, and I'll show you at every point what I got. Where you see my left hand pressing, it looks like it's my right where you see my right hand pressing at the top is just to create a knot. So in case you see me pressing there, is to create a knot. You make sure you secure it very well, and then that's the first sewing. I thought I was showing you, but I didn't show. Don't worry, I'll show you very soon. So once you finish sewing, you cut the excess off. With the machine, it's not advisable to be doing the flip over method, right? So you cut the excess off, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to the second line. Okay, so you see where I pressed, it takes it back. Now observe carefully. You can take the video back, and then you will understand it better. And so yeah, make sure your thread is always at the back of your machine and this is the second sewing. Now let's move on to the third. I'll show you how the sewing looks like very shortly. So let's move on to the third sewing. It's short, so you finish right now. Like you finish right now. You can do like 20 in a day. So you can see I'm creating a knot, and then I go all the way forward, and when I get to the end I create another knot. You see, it takes it back and then forward, and then you cut the excess hair off. So this is me cutting the excess hair off, and let me show you how it looks like so far. Oh, I didn't show you. Let's sew one more time. I thought I was showing you here. So let's sew one more time and I'll show you how it looks like so far. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, we are creating a knot. You can see we are creating a knot here. Let's go forward. We go backwards never. Well, backwards is needed in machine sewing. So yeah, and so create a knot. You can create as many knots as you want, but if you don't take care, it may tangle, the thread may tangle. So 1 2 is fine. And then I went ahead to cut the excess off, and this is what we have so far. This is, I think, 3 tracks. Yes, so this is what it looks like, and after everything, this is how it looks like. It looks so neat, right? It's okay, like it's manageable. It looks very full, like very full. And this is what we have. It's so easy, so simple, easy and simple. I went ahead to wet it because I wanted to see how it will look like when it's wet. I'll also show you guys how it is when it dries up, like if you want the afro look, how you can get it. But I'm sure that will be in the next video because the hair is still wet. Okay, so I went ahead to slay my hair, like I did my hair myself. I'm so proud of myself. I don't know how to do my edges, but I think there's an improvement here. Now let's go ahead and slay this hair. To put my hair in a pony form, and then I'm going to put it. So now the comb goes to the braided part of my hair. The pin enters the first part, and then the pins are 2. The second one goes under the braided part. I prefer the braided part because when I put it in my hair, it hurts. Now you draw the string. That's why it's called drawstring. You draw the string very tight to secure it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around the hair. Make sure it's secure. We don't want anybody seeing our shame or anybody seeing what we've done. So yeah, and you take an amount of hair. That one is up to you. If you don't want, it's up to you. So just to wrap or cover the thread, and then I secured it with a bobby pin, and this is what we have. Is it not nice? Like, is this not nice? Is this not nice? Tell me, is this not nice? See the hair, like it's soft, very soft, and this is simple. You can do it anytime you are in a hurry to go for a meeting. You can do it, like, so yeah, if you've watched up to this point, I'm sure you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Our next video will be doing a wig cap with the rest of the hair. We'll be doing a wig cap with it, a closure wig cap, a glueless closure wig cap. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, then please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified the moment I upload the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Peace out.